Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing life as a slime scammer and a squishy scammer. So yeah, let's get on with the video. So a girl texted me. So I have my little notebook right here. It's this kind of notebook. So I have my pen, and I'm gonna write what she wants. Okay, she wants Nickelodeon slime, Nickelodeon blue slime. How much would that be if I want to sell it for my $5? Oh, Nickelodeon pink slime, $5. A neon pink slime, $5. A blue neon slime, $5. A jumbo bunny squishy, $30. So I write in her stuff. First, she wants a blue Nickelodeon slime, a blue Nickelodeon slime. So this is the Nickelodeon slime right here that I have. Sorry about my nose. These are the ones that I have. So I don't know if she wants a sticky or not, and I don't care if she does. So yeah. So I really love this slime a lot. Look at this slime. Look at this slime. So this is the slime. This is the slime that I have. And it's like clear blue, a little bit clear, but not that much. It is a little bit sticky, and actually she said that she didn't want it sticky. So I'm just gonna give her it. Cause I do like this slime a lot, but it's for my money. I want money because I want to buy something. So, and it farts, and I do not like that. Ugh, gross. And now she said Nickelodeon pink slime. So, oh my god. Well, this is pretty old, a little bit old. I never really use it. So, yeah. Yay. Oh yeah, I forgot. This is the clearest one. She wants a pink Nickelodeon clear slime. And it is sticky. It's old. A lot. Old. And very sticky. So it is very stretchy. Very stretchy. I kind of don't want it to give it. And it's very sparkly. I don't want to give it to her, but it's for my money, so. So, yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this cap, I bought these at Target, so she doesn't know at all. And then she wants a. Let me just look at my list. She wants. Okay, she wants a neon blue slime. So yeah, $5, and the Nickelodeon blue slime with $5. Nickelodeon pink slime with $5. And neon blue slime is $5. So let's take this thing out. Oh, it got hard. And it's sticky too. So I kind of don't want to give it to her still. Look, since it's full all the way from here, I'm not gonna give her the whole thing. Just gonna give her this piece right here. So yeah, let me just do something. Just gotta get the other piece over here. Yeah. So I'm only gonna give her this piece. I'm sorry for the noise if you hear some. It's my mom seeing a movie because she loves scary movies. But this is all I'm gonna give her. It's her, if you didn't know. And this is all she's getting. And so yeah. And I don't care. So she's paid me first. So and now she wants a neon pink slime. I'm sorry, I'm sick. Neon pink slime, $5. So yeah. Look at my neon pink slime. It is very, very. This was expensive, and it was very, very, very. It's very, very stretchy and super squeezable. And I really like it. So I'm only gonna give her this much. Cause I don't really want to give her the whole thing. So it's almost like the neon pink slime, but I'm gonna give her a little bit more for this one. Actually, yeah. So now, wait. This one I think I'll give her the whole thing. So now she wants. Oh my god. They want. What she wants? A jumbo. The last one right there. A jumbo bunny squishy, but I didn't write that for accident. Is $30. So yeah, this is the one that I have. She never said what kind. So yeah, this is the one that I have. I have a jumbo bunny squishy, and she wanted a jumbo, but I'm not sure I want to give it to her because it is the best squishy ever, and it is scented like apple, really good apple. So, and it's Galaxy. So let me just find another thing so I can give her. Let me just wait a little second. yeah, this is my other squishy bag. So, I don't want to give her my stuff. So, it's not the same thing, but it's not even close. But it is kind of like a squishy, but I might give her this. This is like a little squishy thing. It changes colors, but then and then what is it called? It changes colors and it's like very squishy. But I don't know if I should give her this. I really like it. Or I should give her a real squishy. Because this is just like a thing and it's a polar bear. So this, I don't really know I'm going to give it to her because it's really pretty. So I'm not going to give it to her. So, or should I give her this? This is not really close to this, but I think it would do. So, yeah, I think I'm gonna give her this, not my other one. Or I kind of want to give her this one. So, sorry. So, I won't give her this. I'll just change my mind and give her the other thing. Because, this is a real squishy. So, and this little bunny right here, I really like it. And this was a lot of money. So, I wouldn't just sell it for $30. It cost me more than I'm giving it to her. So, I'm just going to give her this for the jumbo squishy. It is kind of jumbo. Just saying, it is kind of jumbo, so yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going to give her this. Wait, let me just do this thing. Yeah, I'm just going to give her this. So, let me just get a bag. So, right here. I don't really care what kind of bag there is, but I got this bag. Thank you, bag. The puppy's in the lost. Sorry. Oh, this is it. I'm sorry. And let me just rip out the note from my stuff. And let me just rip out the note. Got for her. So, yeah. And I'm just gonna fold it. So, going to be mailing it to her. So, yeah. Hello, guys. So, you know my channel. So, yeah. Hello. Today, I'm going to be doing opening my package. I ordered a package like 1 week ago, and it got here today. So it was not that long. So yeah, and yeah, let's get on with this. So I found the note. The note. It says, take a note. Nickelodeon blue slime, $5. Nickelodeon pink slime, $5. Neon blue slime, $5. Neon pink slime, $5. Jumbo bunny, $30. And I'm really excited for the Jumbo Bunny because I paid $30 and it better be the Jumbo Bunny. First, I want to get... do take a peek first. What is there inside? What is inside there? Okay. You guys saw already, so let me just pick something. Okay, I got this. This is my pink neon slime. I'm so excited. I hope it's full. Oh. I'm pretty sure I said the whole full bucket with it. Not the bucket, but the container. And it was only full up to like this. And I wanted it the whole way. The whole way. So really, all the way up. But I'm gonna call her back. And I never said that I wanted it to fart. So let me just pick another one. Yay, my new. And this cost $5 and she only gave me the half of it. So I'm very mad. And then the neon blue slime, yay, I'm so excited. And this cost $5 too. Look, she gave me a little bit more on the blue one, I think, but I'm still mad. She didn't give me anything of my other ones, so I'm mad, a lot mad, and it's very sticky, and I said unsticky before. I texted her, and she said, okay, it'll be unsticky, but look what happened. Maybe this was in her old collection and she gave me this, but I'm pretty sure it's new. So, yeah. But, okay, now let me pick another one. So, got my blue neon slime. I mean my Nickelodeon slime. Sorry. I get so excited. So it looks full up the way, but we don't know if she just put a cover. But it's actually full up the way. So this is so fun and squishy and stretchy. But it's kind of sticky. Not that much. Only if you let it in your hand a lot. But I like it. So yeah. I think I'm gonna tell her that she did a good job on this one. But it farts, and I don't like it to fart because I hate farting noises. I hate farts, so yeah. And this container was really hard to open, and I'm not sure if it is from the Nickelodeon slime or she just put it in a bucket in a container. I paid $5. And this is the thing they're going right now. I'm sorry, I'm sick. So I got this Nickelodeon slime pink ooey gooey fun fancy slime Corolla arts right there. And yeah. So sorry. So yeah, this is the thing. This is the thing right here. Right here. Oh my god. This is amazing. But it like drips out and it's a little bit sticky. And I don't like sticky slime. So she did a good job on this one of the whole cup. And she did a good job on the scents 'cause it smells really good. The scent. Cause I never asked for scent, but it's strawberry scented. So yeah. And it is actually clear. It's clear. So yeah, I really like it, but it farts. Of course, it has to fart. So, oh my god. And I like the container a lot. And it's actually a Nickelodeon slime. So yeah. Now let's see what I get now. This is my last thing, my jumbo squishy. Oh. Yay. I got my jumbo. Really big jumbo, actually. No, it's not. But look, I got this squishy bear. I mean, polar bear. And it cost $2.92 with 90 cents. So yeah. Yeah, so oh my god, and it even has slime pieces. Slime pieces right there. Focus. Slime pieces. If you can't focus. There's like pink of my neon slime and blue of my neon slime too. And I got just a squishy thing, and it's not, but it does say that it is changeable of color. So yeah, it is a squishy. It is pretty fun to play with. So first I'm gonna throw this piece away. Stop. So yeah. Let me just do something. So yeah. And yeah, bye. Hello guys. So if you liked this video, comment down below if you liked it, and I'll see you next time. But I gotta tell you something else. Subscribe. Thumbs up. It's bigger, fine. And so subscribe, thumbs up. Who doesn't subscribe to my channel? Who doesn't subscribe is not my little like friend from here. You're not in my squad of Fernandez Garcia's YouTube channel. If you're not still subscribed, please hit that bell. Hit the big huge thumbs up and hit that bell. Focus. That bell. So yeah. So thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Peace.